Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is June 23rd, and we are going to take a look at Tesla stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. So Tesla closed down $3.05, 0.43%, closed at 705.21. Post market, we see it changing as of now, so it seems to be down a little bit. Let's look at the chart here. We seem to be staying above this first downward resistance. The stock is not dropping too much. It's not dropping too much. It cannot break this resistance. It cannot break this resistance right here, but so far we have been staying for 3 days right here above this first resistance. I got to give to Tesla what belongs to Tesla, and the stock is maintaining itself not too bad. Let's go see the 1 hour chart to understand how this was played out today. So we came pretty down low during the first hour, recovered well, and now the sellers are back at it. On the last hour, we have a longer wick here, so this is selling pressure a little bit, and we lost stochastic on that 1 hour chart. In terms of the outlook, you know what this means. Let's go see the daily chart. So on the daily chart, stochastic at 49, we have not reached stochastic at over 60 yet. This move up is just not strong enough yet to mean something on the daily chart. MACD still broken over bullish. The red line is above the green line. That's always good. RSI still below 50. So this is another sign that we are not bullish yet. And DMI was very close to crossing over bullish, but it's still bearish, but very close. I cannot help but think that we are very close for Tesla for a nice move. It could happen soon, or it could happen a little bit later. And of course, 619.66 is very important to check. You need to check that. If we break that, then it means that we might be going down to this downward support right here. But so far, 619.66 is holding very well, I would say. And also for the past 3 days, we are hovering a little bit above 700. So very interesting times indeed. So thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. I am going on vacation. I will be back July 3rd on Sunday. So I am signing out. No special requests stock video this weekend. No weekly live this weekend, but I will do the weekly live next weekend. I hope that you will do while I'm away. I hope that you apply what you have learned throughout the last year and a half, almost a year and a half. In Quebec, tomorrow is our national provincial holiday. Canada Day is July 1st, but on the 24th, this is our national holiday for Quebec people. So I'm going to wish you a great week, and I'm going to tell you, Bonne Saint-Jean-Baptiste.